You can't afford for your ATMs to go down, ever. But thankfully, there's now a complete and robust connectivity solution built for ATMs. Introducing TNSLink, a secure, PCI-certified global network service specifically designed for critical payment devices. TNSLink connects your ATMs to your systems through TNS's secure and comprehensive managed service solution. It maximizes uptime while helping to minimize operational costs. No stress, no mess, no avoidable lost revenue. Importantly, TNS delivers, maintains, and supports all networking components while managing routers and connectivity. You simply install the TNS routers in your ATMs and they'll do the rest. With rock-solid contingency built in by design, offering a selection of carrier-agnostic wireless, dual wireless, and broadband connectivity for full redundancy. TNSLink's automated connectivity failover ensures that you never miss a transaction. You also stay in control by monitoring your estate through the TNS online portal. And when issues do arise with your ATMs, remote status monitoring and troubleshooting allow engineers to quickly identify and fix issues without costly site visits, a proven saving on your connectivity operations of 26%. Plus, you can call TNS's global technical support team anytime, day or night. When it comes to network security, TNS is a Level 1 PCI DSS certified service provider, offering a secure end-to-end solution from the ATM to your systems. Each transaction is secured at the highest level through TNS's private global network that has existing connections to hosts, acquirers, and financial institutions around the world. So keep your ATMs securely connected with TNS. Visit tnsi.com/ATM connectivity.